How to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 6 error codes on the Xbox app. So first of all, update the game. Open up your Xbox app, and if you have installed the game, make sure to update to the latest version, because in the new version all the bugs and glitches has been fixed. Next step is verify and repair game files. In the library, if you have downloaded Black Ops 6, in my case I have installed on the Steam, you need to verify the game files. Next step is reinstalling the gaming services. You can simply open up PowerShell on your PC. Simply search for PowerShell, right click and click on Run as Administrator. After that, you need to put this prompt. Simply copy and then you need to paste it just like so. Then hit enter and wait for the command to complete. Then you can reinstall gaming services from the Windows Store. So hope this helped. This is how you can fix Call of Duty Black Ops 6 error codes on the Xbox app.